Critics slam Republican White House candidate Donald Trump after he threatened to imprison Democratic counterpart Hillary Clinton during the second United States presidential debate. Trump says he will put Hillary Clinton in jail if he wins as president. Trump says, quote, "If I win, I'm going to instruct the Attorney General to get a special prosecutor to look into your situation, because there's never been so many lies, so much deception." Former Attorney General Eric Holder describes Trump as, quote, "dangerous and unfit for the presidency." He also points out even former President Richard Nixon's top lawyer resigned when ordered to probe a political opponent. Former U.S. Ambassador to Russia Michael McFaul says Trump's comments remind him of autocracies he studies. He adds, quote, "embarrassed this is happening in America."